Hi, I am back. Hello everyone, I am Riya Kasliwal and I make YouTube video about skill development, leadership, productivity and art. And today we will talk about her and her. The author of famous book Harry Potter made record-breaking sell of her book and became billionaire. The Rachel of Friends, Jennifer Aniston, have huge fan base and a great successful story. When she joined Instagram, in just 4 hours and 1 minute, she gained 1 million followers, which is crazy. And who does not know about the 10-time Grammy winner Adele? Her success in music industry is unparalleled. But why am I talking about these celebrities today? Because as successful and as famous they are, they have their own struggle stories. J.K. Rowling once wanted to commit suicide. 30 publishers rejected her book and she was as poor as she could be with a kid to raise. Jennifer Aniston and Adele both struggle with low self-esteem. Mother of Jennifer Aniston would criticize about her eyes, lips, even jawline, which she does not have any control of. That made her believe that she is not beautiful and not worthy of anything. Adele, on the other hand, struggled with postpartum depression and stage fright, even though she is a legendary singer. You know why am I talking about these celebrities? Because 75% of girls struggling with low self-esteem admitted engaging in behaviors of self-destruction such as cutting, drinking, smoking, bullying and even eating disorder. And not just girls, 38% of teenage boys reported using of protein supplement and 6% admitted the use of steroid to improve their physique. Hence, this video is for people who are struggling with low self-esteem, fear and depression. Now, let us learn 3 things that we can learn from these celebrities. Number 1 is persistence, जिसका मतलब होता है अटलता. J.K. Rowling stayed strong and persisted her approach for the publishing of her book. After facing 13 rejections, the book finally made it a hit. We all have dreams and passion, but persistence is the only quality that can make the dream into reality. In her speech at Harvard, she said that she learned 2 lessons in her lifespan. Number 1, failure is more important than success. Number 2 is always believe in your imagination. It was her belief in her imagination that she kept persisting her approach to the publishers. She did not fear from her failure, she did not fear from the rejection, but she persisted her approach for the publishing of the book. And second thing is loving ourselves. Whenever I would meet people, they would always comment on my body. They would always say how thin you have become. And these comments would bother me like hell. I started self-doubting myself. And at some time, I even stopped looking myself into the mirror. But then, I read the story of Jennifer Aniston and how she stopped listening to her mother and overcame her self-doubt. I did the same. I stopped listening to them and then I realized our bodies are meant to be healthy, not perfect. Have you ever tried skydiving? We all know that the moment just before jumping is the most fearful moment of your life. But as you jump, you realize that this is the most blissful experience you will ever have in your life. Don't you agree? So, if you are facing any kind of fear, just jump into it and experience the bliss. Fear, just face it and do it. So guys, this was all about 3 things that we can learn from these strong people. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. See you again.